Hey, Coach Kevin here. This week, I got an interesting article to think about in the principle of saying no to great opportunities. And business is about opportunities, and entrepreneurs love them, and salespeople and executives all love opportunities. But there's many times as a business scales that we have to say no to amazing opportunities, which is really disappointing, kind of like a kid saying no to candy in a candy store. And the root of it is, and the way to think about it, and that's why we love using the flywheel that Jim Collins developed, is that if a great opportunity doesn't power up your flywheel directly without creative thinking and rationalization and justification, if it doesn't actually directly drive your core flywheel, it generally will add complexity and likely slow the business down. And that's real hard. I mean, it happens in acquisitions and all kinds of things. We don't need to make perfect decisions, but it's really having a strong filter on what we say no to and making sure it directly fits in our strategy, or it's a test that could improve our strategy, but not stuff that goes sideways. And that's why strategy and figuring out 3-year plans and flywheels are so important, because it narrows our focus on the things that we know matter most, and or a hypothesis that we have that will improve it. So think about this today. Like, what are the things that you probably should have said no to in the past? Because although they looked great, they were off strategy essentially, or off flywheel. And it may be the things you're thinking about now that you could stop. And it could be a project that's midstream, or an opportunity that you're looking at, and bring it back to, does it fit into our flywheel? Does it fit into our big moves we've got over the next 3 years? So the power of saying no, it's really hard, especially when it looks absolutely amazing and enticing. Hope you have a great week.